I know your story starts in Brazil, where Jenny decided to come to the United States to be an au pair. She ended up in Denver, where their love story began. They met at a pool hall downtown Denver, where Jenny proceeded to tell Joel she only goes on dates to learn English. When Joel got home that evening, he wasn't sure where this relationship was headed, but he couldn't stop thinking about Jenny's beautiful smile, her infectious personality, and her adventurous spirit.
Jennifer, desde pequena, foi essa pessoa que conhecemos. Alegre, linda, inteligente, forte e brava.
Jenny loved Joel's sense of humor, how he accepted her for her, and his ability to make her feel at home.
He told Jenny he would learn Portuguese, and the man became fluent.
Joel is adventurous, romantic, driven, thoughtful, and committed. He's everything you'd want in a friend, son, a brother, and certainly a life partner.
As their love for each other grew, they continued to explore the world together. They danced the night away in Tulum. They hang glided in Rio, and they surprised friends in Seattle.
Ten years ago, I lost my dad in a car accident. I just want to imagine, like, I'm walking the aisle with my dad. I didn't want to, like, replace him, feel I'm replacing him. So I did this balloon to represent him. And when I get to Joe, we're going to let the balloon go.
Joel and Jenny will receive God's greatest earthly gift, another person to share life with, to grow with, to change with, to be joyful with, and to stand together with when challenges come. Joel, do you take Jenny to be your wife, your partner in life, and your one true love?
I do.
Jenny, do you take Joel to be your husband, your partner in life, and your one true love?
I do.
It will take faith to go forward together without always knowing exactly what the future holds. And it will take commitment to hold true to the journey you have both pledged.